Hi, my name is Fabio Varesano. In this little video I show you how to disassemble an Acer Aspire 5680 in order to clean its dissipator and its CPU fan. Well, every computer has a CPU or processor, and this component, when it's used, it gets really hot. But thanks to the dissipator and the CPU fan, the temperature doesn't damage the chip. So unfortunately, a lot of notebooks are badly designed because with time a lot of dust, a lot of dirty stuff goes into the CPU fan and the CPU dissipator. So every year or every 6 months it's needed to clean the CPU fan and the CPU dissipator, because when there is a lot of dust, the dissipator and the CPU fan can't work anymore. So it's you can get a lot of problems, like overheating problems. For example, you can get your computer can get really hot, like almost like it could actually become impossible to touch it. So, but when things get really dirty, it could also get impossible to use it, because when the CPU get really hot, your BIOS will simply shut down the computer, so you will have a malfunctioning computer. So in this little video I show you how to disassemble a Toshiba an Acer Aspire 5680, which you can see I have it here on my desk, and well, we will use a tiny screwdriver like this. Well, let's see how the process. Okay, let's go. Okay, we can start from the bottom of the computer. We will have to unscrew all of these screws. It's actually pretty simple to unscrew this notebook. I've seen notebooks which are really more complex to disassemble, but let's go. This is a computer which has had some problems with overheating. So I'm going to open it so that we can okay. Now you can see here we have the RAM, here we have the CPU, and what you see here is a part of the dissipator. You can see that it goes from the CPU to the VGA card, VGA chip, and here you see the CPU fan, and behind it we will find the dissipator. So we have to unscrew also these two screws here, one and we are getting there. Now we can take the fan and open it and just put it like that. Can you see this? This is what it's causing overheating problem. This is shit. This is dust, this is powder, this is hair, I don't know. Anyway, you can see how this, look, it's awful. So we can just remove that. We can also use a tiny paintbrush. I'm not doing this right now, but because it's actually enough to do this like that, and that's it. It's now clean. We can simply put every screw back in place. This one was here, this one is here, and now we can put this back in place. That's it. And now simply put all the screws back in place. That's it. So, as you can see, the process is not complex, everyone can do it. Just be careful not touching anything inside the computer. Remember to clean very well the dust, and that's it. Thanks for watching, goodbye.